What's up, YouTube? Alright, we had another delivery today. I don't think everybody knows what that is. Alright, we are gonna try to open this thing. Yeah, you know what? That's gonna be way too difficult to do with one hand, so I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. That was actually difficult to get out of the box with two hands. So there it is, the Line 6 Spider V30 30-watt guitar amp with modeling and effects. So I saw that on Guitar Center and it was $125, and I watched some videos on YouTube about it, and it really seemed like a nice amp for the price. I know Spider, they've kind of got a reputation. Their old stuff was kind of janky, but yeah, the new stuff I guess was pretty good. So for $125 and, you know, a couple of Chinese guitars, we'll see what happens. This was in the box. Of course, you got the cable, you got the warranty and the owner's manual. And with all the things that this thing does, apparently it's got quite a few effects, and you might want to look through the manual. Came with a big old thing of silica. So yeah, there's the new amp. Looking forward to doing a couple of videos of this. I just figured I'd do a quick unboxing video. Try to get some videos up online for you. So yeah, guitar and the amp came in. Happy days. So it's good stuff. So okay, yeah, like, subscribe, and I look forward to talking to you guys again. Have a great day.